This high-protein, cheesy buffalo chicken lasagna is going to be your new favorite meal prep with 70 grams of protein per serving, and it's so easy to make. In a blender cup, add low-fat cottage cheese, and no, you won't be able to taste it, but it's packed with protein. Then add buffalo sauce, grated parmesan cheese, low-fat milk, and the seasonings listed on screen. Then blend it until you have a smooth and creamy sauce. Now grab your diced chicken breast, add the seasonings listed on the screen with a little bit of olive oil, then mix it all together. Now cook the chicken on high heat. Once it's cooked, set it to the side. Now spread a thin layer of the sauce on a baking dish, then add instant lasagna sheets, but if using regular ones, make sure to boil them beforehand. Then add more sauce, half of the chicken, low-fat cheese, and repeat the exact steps one more time. Place a cover on top and bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes, then take the cover off and bake it again for another 5 to 10 minutes. Top it off with some more buffalo sauce and low-calorie ranch, cut it up and enjoy.